AUUD stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I'm looking at Auddia Incorporated. The price had like a reverse split today, and it also was down 10%. My outlook, I'm going to base it off of me previously documenting 38,000 videos, you know, and what I've used to come here. So boom, this is where we are. This daily chart, this thing is melting. Even like my previous bias, seems like we did not have like a reverse split. Seems like it, you know, because it is, yeah, it's going to be on Monday. My bad. There you go. POI. That was the confirmation. Right, here's when this video was made, like 11 months ago. Since then, bro, this melted. Like, it just crashed. All I still want to say is that it's a bearish market still. Nothing spets. I mean, yeah, maybe if it does shift above like 36, yeah, probably. But yeah, if it does not, it's all good. So let me know what is your opinion on AUUD. That's that. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you do want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free sauce.